What's up, fellas? We're here in my little garage thing today. As you can tell, we've got this going on, so I'm not really supposed to ride for a few weeks, so we're going to try some new, different content. I bought some new fender pieces. My rear fender has gotten pretty screwed up, as you'll see from all the different wheelie videos and stuff that I've done. It's gotten pretty messed up, and it's got holes in it and such, so I bought a new one of them. I bought some new side covers, and then I also have a wrap that I'm going to put on the bike. So this is the first time I've ever tried putting a wrap on anything. I've watched a YouTube video or two, so I'll walk you through how it is for a newbie to put a wrap on a bike. So I'll get a little timeline going, and you'll see me take some of the parts off the bike, and I'll walk you through this. Okay, so here we are, guys. I got the tank cleaned up a little bit. I got the headlight surround cleaned up. Got all my parts over here. Front fender, back fender, all the side pieces. These ones I'm gonna have to figure out what to do here, because these ones are scratched real bad. So I think I'm gonna probably sand those down a bit before I put anything on them. Like, these ones are brand new, so I don't really have to do anything to them. Just got to clean this up, but I'm going to find some sandpaper or something and get that get that smoothed down a little bit. I'll show you what I end up doing. So we'll see you in a minute. Okay, guys, this is kind of nuts. I didn't think any of this would work, but I tried it. This is just sanding materials that I already had around. This is like some finer grit. This is really fine grit, and I've been using it on this, and it actually works really good. It's really smooth. Maybe not as smooth as this, but all that matters is that it's a good surface for the vinyl to cling onto. So let me show you. So like these deep set things will come out with the rougher grit. Okay, so some spots like this are pretty deep gouges. Maybe I won't be able to get those out, but we'll just see how the vinyl goes over those. I don't know how that's gonna go, but we'll give it a shot. Over here is probably, well, that's about the same as this. That's about all the effort I'm willing to put into it. This piece doesn't have that many contours to it, and I'll probably stop it here. I think I'm going to try wrapping this piece first, so I'm going to go get some paper towels to clean this up with, and then we'll give it a shot. So we've got the actual vinyl wrap here. Huge difference, huh? Basically the same. But I'm hoping that it just kind of gives it a nice overall look. So, and in the videos and stuff that I've watched, this stuff seems pretty cooperative. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm getting little screw-ups in it. Well, I'm gonna just start over. Now I've kind of figured out what I'm doing. That piece is gonna go. What's up, fellas? I'm back. Day 2 of working on this. So, as you can see, I've got some spots where I sanded it down a little bit. I had dropped this thing in the process of I had just scratched it up and got some stuff on it in the process of doing all this modification. So I'm trying to make sure it's nice and smooth so there's not a whole lot of bubbling in it. Because that's what I was noticing the first time that I did the vinyl, is there was like little bubbles throughout the whole thing. Every single spot that you get a little dent, it makes a bubble in it. I got a whole new roll. This was the roll that I had before. Got a whole new huge roll. So this should be enough vinyl to actually do the whole bike. The vinyl that I had before was, I don't even understand how it would ever be enough to do the whole bike. So we're gonna get working on this, and I'll give you progress updates as we go. I think I'm a lot better practiced than I was last time, and considering I have literally practiced with the other pieces now. Let's see how this goes. Oh man, so this is rough. I've got some little mistakes here and there and there. Let's start over again. This is hard. So update, I've got it all the way around everywhere. Just need to do the edges and cut the edges perfect. That was actually pretty good. Second try. It's a little dirty, but it's looking pretty good around the edges and stuff. I don't have any real big problem spots. Little bubbles here and there you might be able to see, but it's not a big deal. Alright guys, so that's one piece down. Not much of a difference as you can tell, but I just want the whole thing to be this color. And a lot of my other pieces that are messed up, I just want them to be smoothed out and nice. So that's one piece down. We'll see how it goes with others. Okay, so next one on the list is a side panel. Now this one's got a lot of different intricate pieces, so this is going to be interesting. I'll probably start here, work my way around the sides in here. So see how this goes. I think that actually went way better than I expected. So I've still got this middle part to do. I'm going to cut some of this excess so I don't have to deal with it. It's going pretty well. This has been driving me nuts that this doesn't match the bike. So I'm excited to work on this now. fellas, it's not perfect. The reason it looks like weirdly dented on the side is just because of the fact that that's the way that the plastic is shaped. But it looks pretty good. I'm excited to see how the whole bike ends up looking. There's a lot of little imperfections that I've done here and there, but I'm learning along the way. Like there are little spots, like this corner here isn't perfect. You can see I overstretched it on this corner, but I mean, it's gonna get redone anyway at some point. So yeah, that's looking pretty good. All right, fellas, it's like day 4 of working on the wrap. I've just been working a little bit here and there, like doing a piece at a time. I've got everything done, all the side panels and everything done except for the tank. So I'll walk you through how it goes with the tank. I just got done, I guess I probably should have cleaned this underneath, but you know, whatever. I just got done doing this, and so far it's been the hardest piece, just because it's long and you want to try to do one piece for it, and also it's got a lot of little contours and stuff, so it didn't turn out perfect. Like there are some spots that are not that great, but it's okay for what it is, and this will probably break off at some point anyway, and I'll need to redo it, so whatever. But it's good enough for who it's for. Let's get to working on the tank and see how that goes. Alright fellas, she's all done and put back together. Let me know what you think. I think it looks pretty good. It doesn't look perfect, but I mean, it's my first time ever trying out wrap before. So I think it looks nice to have the light shroud actually match the rest of the bike. And I like not having all the scratched up stickers and stuff. I think it looks a little bit more clean than it did. There's still some little parts that aren't completely perfect, but from a distance it looks all right. You get up close on some of the corners and it doesn't look quite as good. But let me know in the comments what you guys think, if I should do something else to it. I know that the swing arm on this side isn't colored. I'm not sure if I like the colored swing stand yet, or whatever it's called. I just woke up. So I do like having this colored though, this little foot rest thing. I like having that. We'll see how long it takes to wear off. That's the main thing I'm interested in, is I scratch the heck out of this bike, like especially on this here, like underneath it's really scratched up, and you can barely tell that like that's a really bad looking piece. So I'm interested when I drop the bike a few times to see how quick the vinyl wears off. So we'll see. All right, thanks for watching. See you later.